Myself Satish Bhaskarrao Tote. We are representing Triangle Technologies Private Limited. We are in safety, security and automation solution providers. Since 2012, we are providing these services to market. These are our products. Some products are manufactured by us. Some product we are authorized partner with, like Vika. Vika is a German company. They are manufacturing in precision instrumentation products. Other than that, there are hydrant and plumbing system products which we are trading manufactured by Lahiri. Thank you.